بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome to our 7th lesson. Inshallah, today we are going to go through these 4 letters. We have fa, qaf, kaf, and lam. We have fa, qaf, kaf, and lam. Inshallah, let's do the practice of all of them. So we have fa, qaf, qaf, fa, qaf, qaf, fa, qaf, qaf, fa, qaf, sin, fa, sheen, qaf. Then we have kaf and kaf. Kaf, kaf. Please do not confuse between qaf and kaf and kaf. Just listen to how they sound and you'll get the difference. So we have kaf, kaf, lam, lam, kaf, lam, kaf, lam, صاد, lam, ضاد, kaf, alif, lam, ba, kaf, fa, qaf, qaf, kaf, kaf. Qaf, qaf, kaf, kaf. Qaf, qaf, kaf, kaf. The qaf, qaf, it almost sounds like a Q, and kaf, kaf is definitely like a K. Kaf, the sound k, kaf, K. Okay, kaf, kaf. Then we have lam, lam, qaf, lam, kaf, fa, qaf, lam, and this one I won't say it, I will wait for you to say it. Then I'll go to the next line. Then we have ta, fa, dha, qaf, ra, kaf, za, lam. Then we have fa and fa together. These are two fas when they are joined together. Okay, then we have qaf, qaf. Look, they almost look the same as fa and fa, but the big difference are the two dots. Okay, so we have fa, and qaf, qaf. Then we have kaf and kaf. Now look at kaf, the way it changes its shape or its pattern. We have kaf, kaf. Then we have lam and lam. Look at lam and lam. Therefore, we have fa, qaf, qaf, kaf, kaf, lam, lam, dhal. We have dal, dhal, dal, dhal, ra, and za. Now let's go through it one more time. We have fa, qaf, qaf, fa, qaf, qaf, fa, qaf, sin, fa, sheen, qaf. Then we have kaf, lam, lam, kaf, lam, kaf, lam, صاد, lam, ضاد, kaf. Then we have this one, which I will not say, I will wait for you to say it. Yes, it's alif, then we have lam. Then this second one also, I will not mention it. I will wait for you to mention it. Yes, it is ba. Then we have kaf. And then we have fa, qaf, kaf, lam, qaf, lam, kaf, fa, and this one I will not mention it. I will wait for you to mention it. Yes, it is fa. Then we have qaf, lam, and this one I know you know it. I'll go to the next one. We have ta, fa, dha, qaf, and this one I'll give you time if you remember it. Yes, it is ra. Then we have kaf. Then we have also this one. I know you know it. Yes, it is za. If you didn't get it, yes, it is za. Then we have lam and fa, two fas together. Qaf, two qafs together. Then we have kaf and kaf. Lam. Then we have these two. I hope you remember them. Yes, dal and dhal, ra and za. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson. And before I forget, inshallah, if you don't understand, I will urge you to go through it again and again until you feel you're comfortable with it. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson.